This Rolls-Royce has air suspension leakage, and the body sinks significantly. After testing, it was found that it is air shock absorption, skin aging, and air leakage, replacing the airbag and buffer rubber. After the air tightness test, the air shock absorber returns to normal, compared with direct replacement of the assembly. Not only is the maintenance cost lower, but also shorter maintenance cycle. RS Auto supplies Rolls-Royce air shock absorbers, air shock absorber, aluminum shell, buffer rubber, and other. We also provide technical training, maintenance, guidance, and installation solutions, helping repair shops quickly develop air suspension repair business. Welcome auto parts dealers, repair shops, and agents for long-term cooperation.